Hello everyone, today I will show you how to attach business standard stamps to your PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file with Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Now click on this tools option, this left side top bar, and scroll down. Here you will find this stamps option. Select and click on this stamp arrow, and there are many kinds of stamps: sign here stamps, dynamic stamps, and this standard business stamps. And here you can insert this complete stamps and put on mouse cursor and click on this stamps, and you can increase decrease this stamp size if you want. And see this. Also I'll insert here this confidential stamps and see this. In this you can attach as many as stamps you want and so on. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.